How to force stop and disable Android apps. Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's tutorial, we're breaking down into two common Android options, force stop and disable. They sound pretty similar, but they do very different things. So let's just clear up the confusion once and for all. So the first thing we're going to talk about is force stop. So if I go over to my settings menu, and then from here I can just go ahead and find app section. Let's just go to apps and you'll see a list of all of the apps. So I'm going to head over to the first app that I see here. So once you have your app over here, you can find the force stop option at the bottom right corner. So you're basically telling your phone to stop this app right now and it immediately ends all the background processes, clears temporary memory use and halts it until you reopen it again. So for example, if your Instagram is lagging or frozen, in that case, you can just hit the force stop and refresh it without uninstalling it. So let me just quickly head over to Instagram over here. And then from here, I can just tap on force stop, tap on OK, and it will completely halt its background activity. And once you open the app again, it will start running normally. So the force stop is basically a temporary fix and not permanent. Now let's talk about disable. Now, disabling the app is more like putting app into a deep sleep. It completely removes it from your home screen, stops it from running, and even blocks different updates. So if I just tap on the disable option over here, I don't have the disable option for Instagram. However, I have the archive option. So let me just go over to another app which I can disable. So I'll just head over to this app right here and you can find the disable button. So for example, if your phone comes with different bloatwares and pre-installed apps like random music or email app, you can disable it and it acts like it's uninstalled. However, you can't disable systems critical apps like settings or phone. So if I just head over to Samsung apps, I can just tap on it and then from here I can disable these apps over here. So that's the main difference. Disabling is a permanent shutdown, however, for stopping the app is just a temporary pause. That's it. If this helped you understand the difference between force stop and disable, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Android tips. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one.